Chain gang is the clip.
It's trademark the truth. This is basic thugonomics.
I'm raining fire like Apache helicopters.
We fight together, we ride together. Right now we gonna get live.
Chain gang is the clip.
It's trademark the truth. This is basic thugonomics.
I'm raining fire like Apache helicopters.
Prepare for the worst, we coming thundering. Opposition wondering how they get the drop on us. We set up and lock on us, try to put a stop on us. We react so quick that 5-0 couldn't even call the cops on us. Benny put the rocks on us, but my chain stays still my name stay real. Spit the flame they feel, I know the game takes skill. That's why the brain stay ill. We bout to change the deal, keep the champagne chill. We sippin' Cleek or the Moe Rose. Y'all deli meeting beef, ain't nothing but baloney foes. Your phony flows, we stopping your rise. We own the game, y'all is leasing with the option to buy. Your flight been delayed, kid, you not gonna fly. We got the army, throw your hands to the sky. This is chain gang, bitch, don't bother to check us. Y'all don't God like us, but you gon' respect us, motherfucker.
Fight together, we ride together. Right now we gonna get live.
Chain gang is the clip.
It's trademark the truth. This is basic thugonomics.
I'm raining fire like Apache helicopters.
We fight together, we ride together. Right now we gonna get live.
Chain gang is the clip.
It's trademark the truth. This is basic thugonomics.
I'm raining fire like Apache helicopters.
Listen, baby, I'm just trying to eat. It's the same game with the chain gang in the street. I got goons with a few hundred clips in the heat. It seems sex, violence, and money are dying to meet. Goddamn, I'm a fan. This music moves me. I found writing rhymes all the time would soothe me. Don't lose me. Never let the truth elude me. The skills and respect are expected duly. Some got gifts, man, but reflected crudely. That's why I keep it real like projected movies. What now? Ain't no what was or would be. Only sing along if you understood me. It seem hip-hop, dog, ain't where it could be. Trademark will take y'all right where it should be. You actors, and that's where it stops.